Okay, so we got our first patch is cut out of the 10 gauge, or 10 gauge steel trailer here. So what this gave us is this guy right here. So this is our first piece. That's to replace this section of the inner frame rail, which now originally it is one piece that goes all the way across. Okay, but I'm actually attaching it where it's going to be plated halfway, and then I'm going to finish the other half. So the inside section of the box tubing, whatever, is two-piece welded together, and the outer skin here is one piece. So that's just how I ended up doing it, because I want everything to fit right, but it's, I'm bending this with a vise and a hammer in my bare hands. So I can only do it as well as I can do it. So anyway, this guy will end up going in here, going to halfway. And I made this longer than the original. The original one was I made it about a half-inch longer. The reason I did that is it's kind of rolled a little bit, but I had it come to the bottom was rotted up here. So once I weld it, with it longer, it can reach up into here again. So that's the reason I made that piece on the riser longer. So, and then I still have to build this guy here, which goes in here for the front bumper. It's like where the bolt goes, so it adds more strength and stuff, I guess. And of course, there was a hole in the bottom here. I don't know what was over here, but there's two holes now.